depreciation. They said the following details we are taking from the books of ABC Limited. Vehicle at cost 300,000. So it simply means you better focus here. It simply means ABC Limited has vehicle worth of 300,000. That is what it means. It means it has assets, that's non-current assets, which is vehicle worth of 300,000. Do you understand that, please? That's the first analysis here. Vehicle worth of 300,000. ABC Limited has it. Now they said the balance on the provision, okay. Then they said purchase new vehicle. We're going back to where the cost of assets now. Purchase new vehicle for 60,000. So that means there's additional vehicle with ABC, which is 60,000. New purchase of new vehicle, 60,000. So that means ABC Limited has vehicle worth of 360,000. That's the worth of ABC vehicle. Yes?
What about 45,000?
No, we're talking about the vehicle now. We want to open vehicle account. So because we want to open vehicle account, what we need to find out is the worth of the vehicle in ABC Limited. So the worth of vehicle, yeah?
It's credit, right?
What?
Is it credit or debit?
No, you debit vehicle account because the bank, the account has received vehicle. So your balance brought down before now is 300,000. Then there's additional vehicle purchase for 60,000. So for this transaction, in your double entry, we're going to debit vehicle account and you credit bank account. That is the double entry for the purchase of new vehicle. Do you get it or not, please?
Yes.
The purchase of new vehicle will have a double entry, which is you debit the receiver, you credit the giver, the bank pays. So as soon as, because the bank is paying here, in your vehicle account, on the debit side, you're going to have bank, not vehicle anymore, because bank has paid to the vehicle account. But the first thing we need to understand is that this transaction means that the vehicle, the account, the non-current asset of ABC Limited in terms of vehicle has increased by 360,000. So the implication of this is that asset of bank, we have asset of bank, asset of vehicle. So with the purchase of new vehicle, asset of vehicle increases, asset of bank decreases. Do you understand the implication on statement of financial position now? The purchase of new vehicle means asset of vehicle has increased. We have more vehicles. But in the course of having more vehicles, we have paid cash through the bank. So the amount of cash we have at bank also reduces. Any question about this? This is the implication of the purchase of an asset. This is the double entry for the purchase of an asset. Implication, the double entry. Implication, the double entry. Any question about this? Good. Now let's open the vehicle account. Now vehicle account, we have our balance brought down on 1/1/2025, right? So we have 1/1/25 balance brought down. The total amount of vehicle we have before 300,000. Do you understand that? Do we get it or not, please? Great. Now, our bank account, you know we're crediting bank account for the purchase of new vehicle. So we have the bank account to be purchased for 60,000 on vehicle, new vehicle.
So, how we got 300,000?
Vehicle at cost, 300,000. So the total amount of vehicle, the worth of vehicle we have that ABC Limited has before the purchase of the new one is 300,000. You have a question, yes?
Balance what? BLD or B?
Balance brought down, BD, B/D.
Okay.
Balance brought down. That is the balance from the last, from your previous transaction, which is your balance carried down. So your balance carried down for last month becomes your balance brought down for this month. So the closing balance of motor vehicle was 300,000. So you are opening a new account on motor vehicle, so it means your balance brought down for 300,000. Then there is additional vehicle for 60,000, 360,000. We're opening vehicle account. They said we should open a vehicle account, right? Are you with me, please? So we have 300,000. Then on 1/6, purchase of new vehicle. 1/6/25. Bank account. Do you know why it is bank account? Because we pay through the bank. We pay through the bank for the purchase of vehicle. Do you get that? So that gives us 60,000. So this is what? 360,000. Do you get that? So on the 31/12/25 to end this year, this is 1st of June. So the year will end 31st of December 2025. So 31/12/25. The balance here is how much now? The balance brought down is 360,000. Did you get that? For motor vehicle, our motor vehicle account is closed now. So we have 360,000.
What does the lines mean, Mr.
360,000. What?
What does the lines mean?
Just to cover the space, to cover the little space. That's how you do in accounting, to cover the little space. Do you understand that?
Yes.
So that ends 31/12. So this is 31/12. Oh, sorry, balance carried down. Yeah. It's brought down here, so carried down here 360,000. The figure here. Do you get it? So 31/12/25 becomes 1/1/26. Our balance carried down of 360 becomes balance brought down 360,000. Do you get it up to here now or not? The account is closed from 1/25 from 1/1/25 to 31/12/25. That's a whole year, right? So the balance carried down on motor vehicle is 360,000. So the balance carried down here becomes the balance brought down on 1/1/26. Any question up to now? So look at the second one. They said on 1/7/26 sold for 12,000 a vehicle which had cost 50,000 and on which depreciation has been charged of 30,000. So there's disposal of an asset. So we are selling one of our vehicles. We are selling what? One of our vehicles which is cost 50,000. The cost of the vehicle we are selling is how much? 50,000. But we sold it for how much? 12,000. That is another thing anyway. So we're going to get there. But one of our vehicles is now going out for sales on 1/7/26. Yes?
On users.
What?
Bank account.
Yeah, bank account.
Here is credit. How it's credit.
Yeah, this is the double entry. This is the ledger. On the double entry, this is how it's going to be. Vehicle account will be debited, which is debit. Bank account will be credited. The bank is paying the cash, right? You want to buy a motor vehicle, you buy it through the bank account. So you pay through the bank. Because you are paying through the bank will be credited. The motor vehicle you received from that payment will be debited. But why is bank here? Bank is here because we are opening a vehicle account. You can't write vehicle here again. How did you get the vehicle? Through the bank. Does it make sense now, please? Any question up to now? You have a question? Do you have a question now? Okay. Do you have a question? Shall we move on, please?
Yes.
Okay. So our balance brought down is 360,000. Now we are disposing an asset for 50,000. On one, I wouldn't want you to talk at all, please. If you don't have questions, just keep quiet, please. Yeah, sure. Okay, so on 1/7/26, we dispose an asset, motor vehicle, for 50,000, right? Disposal account, 50,000. So that means one of our vehicles is missing now. So our vehicle has reduced from 360,000 by 50,000, right?
Yeah.
So the value of our motor vehicle now is what? 310,000. Do you get that?
Yeah.
You better stop talking and focus here, please.
I didn't say nothing.
Don't worry. The exam is
I
coming.
want my pen.
No, just no.
It's okay. Don't do nothing. You focus while I'm working here.
No, nothing.
So we have another class.
Yeah, I know. Yes, we have. So the motor vehicle has reduced by 50,000. So the total value of our motor vehicle now is 310,000. Do you get that or not?
Yeah.
So 31, 12, 26, balance carried down is 310,000. So here we have 360,000. 360,000. Do you get it or not?
Yeah.
So that is the amount of vehicle, the value of our motor vehicle for the 2 years of 25 and 26. It said required the vehicle for 2 years, 2025 and 2026. So the value of our motor vehicle right now is 310,000, which means in 2027, this is 31, 12, 26, 1, 1, 27, our balance got down